Engines. The 2.0-liter, 4-cylinder TDCi engine on offer is available in two states of tune, 148 bhp or 178 bhp, with the lower output version offered in either front and four-wheel drive. The more powerful unit is four-wheel drive only. There's also a 118 bhp 1.5-liter diesel, as well as a 118 bhp petrol EcoBoost engine of the same displacement, with 148 bhp and 180 bhp petrol options also available. The 148 bhp 1.5-liter EcoBoost petrol engine is mated with either a 6-speed manual gearbox or a dual-clutch power-shift automatic. The manual gearbox is well-weighted and pleasing to use, so while the auto isn't bad, it isn't ideally suited to this engine choice. Most should go for the 148 bhp or 178 bhp 2.0-liter diesel models, as they offer the best combination of power and efficiency. Both are smooth with noise levels well isolated from the cabin and deliver decent in-gear pace, with either manual or automatic gearboxes. Less impressive is Ford's PowerShift gearbox. The 6-speed unit delivers smooth and rapid shifts when cruising, but at low speed it trips over itself and struggles to find the right gear. On the plus side, there are now handy gear shift paddles instead of the old car's tiny, lever-mounted rocker switch.